Hello everyone, this is Raymond Lee from Raymond's Dental Solutions. Today, I want to talk about why a career as dental hygienist could be a dream job, one that offers unexpected depth, impact, and fulfillment. In this presentation, we will take a step back from the usual focus on academic difficulty or societal perceptions, and instead look at what truly matters in healthcare career: patient impact, emotional influence, and career quality. By doing so, we will explore how the role of dental hygienist can surpass that of a registered nurse in surprising and meaningful ways. There's a widespread belief that registered nurses have a broader impact simply because their practice covers general health and acute care. Meanwhile, dental hygienists are often thought to only handle things like teeth cleaning and brushing teeth. But here's the thing, this view misses a much deeper truth. Impact isn't just about medical complexity. It's about continuity, trust, and emotional resonance. It's about the lasting difference you can make in someone's life. Let's dig deeper into how patient relationships unfold in each role. Dental hygienists see patients regularly, every 3 to 6 months, so they have the opportunity to build long-term trust and develop meaningful, ongoing relationships. The communication is one-on-one, focused on preventative education and centered on daily habits, things like diet, hygiene, and overall well-being. On the other hand, registered nurses typically have episodic, short-term interactions with patients. Their relationships are often more situational, with limited continuity and task-based communication. They focus on assisting with the compliance and recovery, which, while important, tends to have a more moderate influence on the patient's long-term behavior. Dental hygienists have a more personal, long-lasting, and behaviorally impactful relationship with their patients compared to most RNs. But let's be clear, a dental hygienist can be so much more than just someone who cleans teeth. With the right attitude and purpose, the role shifts from just cleaning teeth to something more meaningful, changing how a patient feels about themselves. By creating a calm, respectful, and uplifting environment, a hygienist has the power to reduce fear, restore confidence, improve communication between the patient and the entire care team, create wow experiences that patients will remember long after the visit. This is how dental hygienists create more than just a clinical experience. They shape positive emotional outcomes for their patients. Now, let's talk about emotional impact. A lot of patients feel vulnerable in the dental chair, whether it's fear, embarrassment, or guilt. Many of them bring complex emotions to their visit. Hygienists who understand this dynamic don't just treat teeth, they become healers of the emotional experience. Unlike RNs who often work in high-pressure, emergency environments, hygienists typically enjoy the emotional space and schedule stability to focus on patient communication and emotional satisfaction. Let's now consider the work-life balance and stress of each role. Dental hygienists enjoy an excellent work-life balance with set hours, and they usually don't work nights or weekends. Many hygienists have the option to work part-time, which offers a lot of flexibility. Burnout risk is low to moderate, around 25 to 30%. And job satisfaction tends to be high, 70 to 85%. On the other hand, registered nurses often face shift-based schedules with nights, weekends, and emergencies. The physical and emotional strain can be high, especially in ICU or ER settings, and the burnout rate is typically higher, around 40 to 50%. In some specialties, job satisfaction in nursing tends to be medium, 60 to 70%. Dental hygienists typically have a better work-life balance, lower emotional burnout, and more flexibility in their schedules compared to RNs. Here's the bottom line. If a dental hygienist approaches their role with purpose and intentionality, they can shape patient mindsets, inspire healthy lifestyles, deliver wow moments that patients will talk about long after their visit. It's not about medical prestige or complexity. It's about consistent influence, relational depth, and joyful work. It's about making a real difference in the lives of your patients, day in and day out. The dental hygienist sees not just the mouth, but the person behind it. And when that person feels respected, safe, and valued, the impact is far greater than any prescription. Thank you so much for watching. Everything I do is centered around ensuring your business thrives.